Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and today I have an unboxing and review of the new Bietrun UMKF01. This is a mic for podcasting. Let's do it. Okay, let's open this up. The packaging is, pretty plain Jane really, just a brown box. All right, we have the Bietrun USB microphone user's manual, quick start guide, instruction, technical specs. Man, that's quite a few pages. I mean, most microphones, USB microphones that I see only comes with like a single sheet. This thing is like 8, 9, 10 pages. Wow, impressive. 2 languages. I think that's German, I'm not sure. All right, so, okay, this is a USB cord to connect the microphone to your computer. Nice, this is very solid, heavy metal base. Nice metal base. Okay, let's set this up. The first issue I see with the Bietrun microphone is this USB connector. My M1 Max MacBook Pro doesn't have USB-A anymore, it uses USB-C only, so that means that I'm gonna have to break out the dongle. And here I thought with the new MacBook Pro, with all the new connectors I have, I wouldn't need this anymore, but that's not the case. Not the case. Oh well. Looks like a 1 meter length. Yeah, about 1 meter cable, so that's okay. So that has to go into my dongle. And then this USB end plugs into the USB end there. And then just a matter of mounting it onto the base. Okay, so plug it in, and we should good. Ooh, it lights up. Now, shouldn't require any software. It should be all set up, ready to go. So let's check my sound properties in my MacBook here. Yeah, I see it right there. Bietrun 1. Cool. Input device, Bietrun 1. There it is. Yeah, it works. It works good. Pretty cool. No software, instant setup. Gotta like that. So let's see what else it has. In the back here, there's a mute button. A mute button, that's kind of cool. So I just turn that and boom, yep, it goes mute. And the color changes from green to red. Back on. Mute. Cool, cool. So easy to set up. There is really no software to install, no nothing. So far so good. Let's check out the sound quality. To test this Bietrun microphone, what I'm gonna do is I've set up the voice recorder on my Mac, and I have it set up to accept the sound from the microphone. Right now, you're listening to me using the Rode Wireless Go microphone as well as my Giant Squid lavalier. So this is the setup I normally do when I'm doing my video. So this is the reference. All right, so let's start the recording here on the Bietrun microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a voice test of the Bietrun 1 USB microphone. The Bietrun 1 is a super corduroy microphone. That means that it picks up sound in front of the microphone and less sound to the side and less sound to the back. So if I were to turn away from the mic, or in this case, let's say if I were to turn the mic 90 degrees to me, my voice should have gone down a bit and I may sound a little more muffled. And if I were to turn it to the back, 180 degrees from me, so the mic is here, but I'm now in the rear of the microphone. It should be even less as well. Super corduroy microphones are designed to pick up sound that's in front of it, and this is ideal situation if, say, you're at a trade show, you're podcasting or live streaming from a trade show, and very noisy background. By using a super corduroy microphone, you're still able to talk, and your audience can hear you, and the background won't be overwhelmed your recording. So this is the test of the Bietrun 1. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, that's done. I haven't listened to it yet, so I will in little bits. But just as a comparison, let's make a recording using the built-in mic on the MacBook Pro. This would be its most likely competitor, since this mic will be mostly used for making Zoom calls and podcasts, and most of the time you'll be using the built-in mic. So I got it set here to the MacBook Pro microphone. We're going to do another recording and start. Okay, this is the volume sound coming from the built-in microphone on the MacBook Pro. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The MacBook microphone it's a omnidirectional mic, so it shouldn't matter which way I face. It should still be able to pick up my voice. Whereas a super corduroy, you have to be right in front of it. So this is the built-in mic on the Mac. Tell me what you think. I would love to hear what you guys think. Like you heard the comparison between my Rode mic, you heard the sound coming from the Bietrun, you heard the sound coming from my MacBook. So which one do you guys think sound the best? Just let me know. So this is the Bietrun 1 USB microphone. And you know what? It kind of reminds me of the old Blue Yeti. Yeah, this was back in the day, the Blue Yeti. This was the hottest podcasting mic one can get, and it's interesting to see the evolution. Yeah, this was over $100, and it was pretty much a weapon. But this, $37, and at $37, it's pretty much an impulse purchase. And it really, I got nothing bad to say about it. It does the job. If you're looking for an external USB mic to do podcasting or live streaming, or just to talk on Zoom, this will do it. I mean, I like the mute button. I like everything about it. The adjustment is light, it's portable. You can take it with you anywhere. It breaks down easily enough, so you can put everything in your laptop bag and just go to your event. And easy setup. Plug it in. The software instantly recognized the mic. It was all set up and ready to go. So, yeah. It was actually a lot easier than this thing, because back then they had to install software and stuff. This, pretty much, truly, 100% plug and play. So, yeah. Link to this product is below this video. You want to check it out. Yeah, $37. Impulse purchase, can't lose. All right, that's it for this little unboxing. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.